Hello everybody. First I want to correct a mistake that I made last week when it came to the brand kit within Canva. When we go to, let's go to the home page here. When you're in Canva and get out of this, you should see the different designs that you've been using. And I can see the icon here for the brand kit, but you can't. What you need to do first is open up a design or create a design, and then you have access to the brand kit. So let's open up this design here that I was working on when it comes to PDPA and collecting data. Let's wait for it to open. Now I've got my design in this page here. What you'll see when I go to edit it, you'll see it appears here with a brand, and I'm going to click on brand, and now I have access to all of the different logos, and you can just simply drag in the logo and it will appear over the top. Obviously I don't want that over the top, so Control Z to commit. So open up a design or create a new design and then click on brand. So that's my first mistake corrected. Next, I just want to go to my loop to figure out, so I've done that one already, tick that off. Next, I want to just look at version history in Microsoft Documents. So a lot of colleagues are creating documents in Microsoft, which is fantastic, but they may want to go back and have a look at the edits, maybe the edits that you made or a student made. So let's have a look at what it looks like in the app. So here I have a Word document. And if I want to see the version history, you would think it would come under review, but it's actually within the title. If I click on the title, you can see it says last modified here. When I drop down here, you can see version history. And it then goes and opens up all of the version histories, and you can click through these and see what it looks like in terms of, so I'm just going to go yes, because this has got tracked changes on, and you can see what it looks like and who made the edits. That's in the app version of Word, but what does it look like in the web version of Word? When we go to the same document in the web version of Word, it's not in the title actually, it's in File, and you go to File and then Version History, and then you can toggle through all of the different edits. It's quite nice. Same for PowerPoint. If you're in PowerPoint, you click on the title and you can see version history, or if you're in the web version of a PowerPoint, then you can go to File and then go to Version History, and you can see who's been editing the document. Okay, useful feature for tracking changes. Right, next, I'm going to jump actually to Microsoft Photos. I've got a couple of minutes left because I want to look at some of the AI features within Photos. I've mentioned it before, but if you launch Photos, it's already installed on your device. Hopefully there's no embarrassing photos in my Photos app. I should hope not. Here we go. It will actually also as well, any screenshots that you've taken in the past. So here's a screenshot that I did very recently for another video. What I want to do is obviously I want to edit this. So there's a button here, look, to edit. So you could just open up a photo in Photos. And when I edit it, you're going to now start to see some of the power that is, or the AI power within it. So I'm just going to maximize this so that we can see it a little bit larger. And it's this button here, look, erase tab. And what it's going to do, it says, right, okay, generative erase. So I'm going to I don't like myself in this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to erase myself, and it's going to look at the background and then figure it out and then add it in there. So let's see its magic, see what it's doing. Erasing area object in the selection, in the background, and I should disappear, and it will appear as though, there we go, not so good there. Look, let's just get rid of that a little bit more, do it once more time, and see how good it is. So have a play around with the generative, I can't even say it, reduction or erase tool within Photos now. So it's directly within the Photos itself. Maybe one more time and I've cleaned it up. That would have taken me quite a lot of time before. I click Save Options, and then done. Okay, that's enough, I think. It's only 3 today. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.